My name is Olga Santos and I work at the Materials Technology and Chemistry Lab in Alfa Laval, Lund. In my role as a materials specialist, I help our customers with their fouling and cleaning related issues. Avoiding fouling in heat exchangers in the data centers will improve their sustainability since fouling will lead to a decrease in heat transfer, and typical causes of fouling are related to both the process conditions, for example running the heat exchanger at too low flows, too high temperatures, or not having filters installed, but is also related to the composition of the medium, like for example having hard water or dirty water or small particles present in the water. Since the data centers suffer from particulate fouling, I think the major problem why they see fouling in the heat exchangers is how they run the heat exchanger. For this type of fouling, the most important factor to reduce fouling is the flow rate. In turbulent conditions, the high shear stress will help to keep the suspended matter in solution, and the high force of the flow into the wall will help to remove the deposited matter, leading to a low fouling and high removal rates. So Alfa Laval can help our data center customers by having an open dialogue, and if they do experience fouling, they can contact us, send us a fouling sample. We will do some fouling characterization for them. Once we know what the fouling consists of, we will develop a cleaning protocol to dissolve the fouling. Very important is to use the right cleaning chemicals, and not only to achieve a high cleaning efficiency, but also to prevent plate corrosion and gasket damage. I have three important messages for all the data center customers. First, trust Alfa Laval to provide you with the right design. Second, run the heat exchanger at proper design conditions. And third, plan for cleaning already at the design stage.